Hello, on this video I'd like to say congratulations to my son Richie for going to start up his own business. It's called AURORA Refinishing. Anyway, I've made a bit of a video of what he's been doing in the past, and just going to show you. There's one piece in there, a photo of my white Golf, and there's like a little model of what we're going to do. The number on the side, we're either going to go 87, which is the year it was made, 1987, or 56, the year of I was born. Anyway, here's some pictures, and in the beginning you just see it, you just see different like little videos and Richie there spraying and what he's done and finishing. All what you see in these videos and pictures is straight off the gun. No polishing whatsoever. This is how he gets the finish, straight out the booth without touching it. Anyway, there's bits at the end of how he's very artistic as well. So you see some of the pictures he's made and what he's done in his bedroom, which give him, like behind the headboard and on the main wall, give him the idea of naming the company Aurora Refinishing. Now the paint shop will be on the Spencer Estate in Buckley in North Wales. Anyway, by the time I put this video on, he would have started the business anyway, so obviously before that I won't be putting it on. So enjoy the video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and put the likes up, and then I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now. Here's the booth. Aurora Refinishing. Got all these lights in now. Still a little bit to do. The filter in there. And extraction. So it's ducting. Looks like another strip light to go in. Tidy. It's coming on. Just done everything around here. That looks another bit of apparatus he's had. A bit of ducting there. Electric generator of some sort. Don't know if that's for Richie or not. That's where the extraction comes out there. Yeah, I'm just looking on the thickness of the doors. They're about, I don't know, about 3.5 inches thick then, and a hell of a weight. Tidy. Right, the oven now, it's all ready. Painted the floor. It's got all his stuff now. All the panels, wings and that and that. Don't ask me what them are for. Does anybody know what them are for? It's airline now, all in. It's tools. It's new spray guns. Yeah, Richard, watch this video. What's that for? Clear that. Compressors. They're just sorting the free phase out now. I think he'll be up and running next week, I think. Exciting. Can't wait. Made up for him now. Right. Onward and upward. Hope you enjoyed that. I didn't say at the beginning of the video either, we're also going to do wheels as well, refurbs on the alloys and whatever. There's a couple of pictures there of there's a picture of my black Golf, and you see one of the wheels when he was well, you only just quickly did them really to get them on the car, because right at the beginning you see the car with different wheels, or a picture of different wheels on it. So obviously the use of the old wheels. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and I'd like to wish Richie all the best at his new venture. Anyway, bye for now. See you again.